I'm going to show you how to change edit access. We know that there's already an editor on this sheet because up in the top right corner in that share button, it has a couple people in it. If I hover over it, it'll say shared with one person. So I can click share, and here I have a few options. I could potentially just click on viewer and change their view status to editor, or if they're already an editor, I can change them to viewer or commentator. I can also add an expiration, which is pretty cool. Also, I can just remove their access completely, which I have to scroll down and click remove access after clicking over here. And then I must save. If I save, then it'll actually remove them. I can always add them back if I want to click on this share button and add them as in their email or as a group. All kinds of things I can add here. I could also change the general access if I don't want to give individuals access, but I want to say, hey, anyone with the link can see this. I can click here and click viewer and see, yes, anyone can view with the link or just on my domain if you're working in a domain on Google Workspace. Always click done, and now you can share with anyone in my domain. That's how to change edit access in your Google Sheet. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.